welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Now, if you are new to this channel and if you are seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, I'm Samudrika. I make videos on makeup, skincare, haul videos, and I do vlog sometimes. And if you like watching this video, also this face, then please do take a moment to subscribe to this channel and turn on that post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So by the title, you already know what this video is going to be about. So I'm going to review the newly launched K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighters. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love highlighters. So they have launched 6 different shades which are going to suit all Indian skin tones, starting from lighter to medium to deeper skin tones. Isn't it great? So I have all the 6 shades right here with me, and I'm going to divide this video into 2 parts. In the first part, I'm going to talk about the packaging, the claims and everything, and in the second part, I'm going to swatch all the shades for you. Also, I would like to take a moment to talk about my makeup today. I have done a very minimal makeup, yet it is so full coverage, guys. Trust me, I haven't used any foundation and I do have a pigmented skin right now. As I talked about my pimples in the past videos, I do have a little bit of scarring left, but I haven't used any full coverage foundation at all, and not even a full coverage concealer. I used a normal concealer. I just learned a new hack which I would love to share with you guys. So if you want to see that, like a no makeup look without any foundation, then please comment down below. I would love to film that for you, but after my series ends. As you know, I am currently doing a series of 7-day skincare of my top 3 products from each skincare category, and also I had to upload this particular video in between the series because I had a deadline, so I'm doing it. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. I really like their packaging. It is very classy and very sturdy, like not very fancy, but I really like it because it's very classy. And all of their products, like even in the past ones, they did not change their packaging that much. It is always the same, the pattern, and I really like this thing about them. So it is an 8.5 gram product, and while you open it, you would find a really nice sponge and secured packaging. There is one sponge to secure your product, and there is the product. So let me just take the product out for you. So this is how the product looks like. I am so in love with all the detailing right here, and also the shade rose gold is my favorite. It looks so stunning and classy, and there is nothing too messy about it. It is very classy and looks luxurious. And at the back, it is white in color with all the detailing right here. Everything is written. It is an 8.5 gram of product, and it has a shelf life of 3 years. Isn't it amazing? Now let me just show you how it looks from inside. So this is how the product looks from inside, and it came with this protective shield, which I just removed it before shooting this, because while I'm doing it like that, it just drips off. So yeah, it came with this protective shield like that, and you can just remove it anytime, like once you are using it, or if you are done receiving the product, and then you can just remove this protective shield because you don't need it anymore. And it also came with this kind of a mirror. Like, this is such a unique concept, guys. I have never ever seen highlighters having mirrors like this mirrors, and the mirror is quite a large, like it's the full size mirror. Like this much is the product size. The mirror is the full size like this. You can see your entire face in the mirror right here. Like, yeah, I can see my entire face. So you can just carry this highlighter wherever you want to, and just get a touch up with your highlighter anytime, anywhere. Like, seriously, it is an amazing concept. Now, these highlighters are enriched with avocado powder for intense nourishment, and mango butter for extra moisturization, and these have like minute tiny glittery particles. These are supremely pigmented. Like, look at this. Extra soft and buttery and smooth, trust me, guys. And these do not have any chunky glitters which would make your highlighter look like gray patches on your skin. It is easily blendable, guys. Like, they claim that it is easily blendable, and it is so damn true, because I have tried it before even shooting or filming this video, and I totally love how they blend on your skin. I'll just show a swatch right here. Just look at it. Isn't it so blinding? Just one coat of it, and it is so blinding, and it is easily blendable and buildable. Can you just see it? It has no harsh lines and it just got mixed on my skin. So pretty. I can't get over the packaging, guys. I'm super impressed with the K monogram printed all over the front section. It identifies the brand, and I'm super impressed with the color. The rose gold color is one of my favorite. So guys, that was it about the packaging and also the company claims. Now I'm moving on to the second part of the video, which is swatches. I'm going to swatch it on my hands and also on my face so that you get a better idea. So yeah, let's get started. So I have quickly changed my outfit because I also wanted to swatch it on my shoulders, here, everywhere. I wanted to be, dipped in highlighters today. So that is the reason why I changed my outfit. So yeah, let's get started. So the first shade which I'm going to swatch is Champagne Fizz. This is how the shade looks like. I'll just take a little amount, just once. Oh my god, it's so soft and buttery, this much amount. And I'm going to swatch it on my left side. Wow. This is just a single coating, guys. I took it once and I just applied it once and it is so nice. Can you just see there are no harsh lines? It is easily buildable and blendable. Oh my god. Let's just do a second coating of it. Just taking it like that, this much, and again doing it. Oh my god, isn't it blinding? And it is so smooth, guys. The company claims are so damn true. I love it. I seriously love it. So let me just show you the hand swatch, guys. Is Champagne Fizz. Oh god, isn't it so pretty? Okay, now moving on to the second shade. So the second shade which I have is Frosted Eyes. This is how the shade looks like. It is ideal for light to medium skin tones. I'll just take it once like that. Oh god, I don't think I need to overlayer it, like take it once again. Isn't it so blinding? And you can just see there are no harsh lines. It is easily blendable and buildable. Wow. Now time for hand swatch. So this is Frosted Eyes. Oh my god. These highlighters are immensely pigmented, guys. So now moving on to the third shade. So the third shade which I have is Rosy Dew. It is a pinkish highlighter. It is also ideal for people from light to medium skin tone. It is a very nice blush pink highlighter shade. I love it. Now I think that I should have used it here, but I still gonna use it in my chin maybe. You can also use it as a blush highlighter. Like you don't need to apply blush alag se, you can just use it. So just taking a little amount of it and using it on my chin right here. Oh wow, I am seriously dipped in highlighters today. I love it. Can you just see? Ooh. I must say, guys, they have done an amazing job. Like, I am not doing a double layer, guys. I'm not even taking it once again because this is enough. This is enough. Moving on to hand swatch. So this is Rosy Dew. It has a very nice rosy shade. You can also use it as a blush, guys. Moving on, I'm using Honey Glaze. So this is how the color or the shade looks like. It is kind of similar to the Champagne Fizz, but not proper similar while you apply it. And it has a golden undertone. Let's just swatch it. I'll use it on my collarbone here. Wow. Are you serious? Oh my god. Can you see that? I don't know if my camera is capturing it or not, but this is blinding. If I take a second coat, oh god. This is insane. This is unreal, guys. Can you see it? This is unreal. Now moving on to the hand swatch. I love it. I seriously love it. So this is honey glaze. This is best for medium skin tones. Even lighter skin tones can even use it. Medium to deeper skin tones, this is the ideal one for you guys. So next up, I'm going to use Sunlit Gold. It is a proper golden shade. This is how it looks like. I love this color. This is again a shade for medium to deeper skin tones, and also lighter skin tones can also use it. I'm going to use it on my bridge of the nose. What? Like, I love all the shades. I am not seeing which skin tone it is ideal for lighter, medium or deeper. I am going to use all the shades on a daily basis. Not on a daily basis, like it depends on my mood and my outfit. Also, is it a day function or a night function? Just look at the highlighters, like, guys. Oh god, my nose. I haven't done any contouring on my nose today, but still my nose is looking so sharp because of the highlighter. Moving on to hand swatch. So this is Sunlit Gold. So as you can see, the Sunlit Gold is a bit lighter than the Honey Glaze. Now Honey Glaze is ideal for, medium to deeper skin tones, and mostly deeper skin tones can use it. And also if you are going to create any, traditional bridal look or some festive look, then this one is the ideal one for you. Even this one is great. But yeah, this one is the ideal one. So lastly, I'm going to swatch this shade. It is Copper Shine. It is a copperish shade, and this is so lovely. I haven't came across so many, copper shades. This is the first time I'm coming across this. Like, the shade range is so wide. I haven't, seen so many shades from a single brand. I'm using it here. Wow. It just gives you a, natural bronzy effect. You don't want to look chunky, you don't want to look like chunky glitters all over your body. Just look at it. It gives you a natural beaming, blinding highlighter look. I just love the subtle glow it gave here on my shoulder. Just loving it. Okay, now moving on to the hand swatch. So this is what? Copper Shine. This is Copper Shine. This is ideal for deeper skin tones, but medium skin tones can also use it. So these are all the 6 shades. This is Champagne Fizz, Frosted Eyes, Rosy Dew, Honey Glaze, Sunlit Gold, and this is Copper Shine. The shade range is wide, guys. I am in love with all the shades. I'm also gonna use the Frosted Eyes in the inner corners of my eyes right now. So guys, I'm done applying the Frosted Eyes in my inner corners of the eye. Just look at my face. Just, compare. Like, while I started the video, I did not have any highlighter or anything blush also on my face. And right now, I am dipped in highlighters. I'm so very happy with all the highlighters. Like, these are ideal for Indian skin tone, guys. Every Indian skin tone can use these highlighters. If you get the Frosted Eyes one, you can use it in the inner corner, even if you are somebody with a deeper skin tone. But the Champagne Fizz, the Frosted Eyes, and the Rosy Dew is for the lighter skin tones. But medium skin tones can also use it, as they say, from lighter to medium skin tones. Then the Sunlit Gold and Honey Glaze is from medium to deeper skin tones, and the Copper shade is for the deeper skin tone. Even the Sunlit Gold is also suitable for the deeper skin tones, but all the shades can be used with anybody. You can use it if you like it. Any skin tone can use it. These are ideal for Indian skin tone, guys, and these retails for MRP INR 799 rupees, which is a little bit on the pricier side, but the quality which you get, guys, I would love to invest that much on a product if it is like this. The texture, the formula, the pigmentation, the blendability, everything is 10 out of 10. I have no complaints at all. Even the packaging, like everything is on point, guys. Like, you know, packaging is not very much important, but you saw, right? These are so immensely pigmented, and they do not, you know, create any chunky lines or flakiness on your skin. It's so nicely blended, maybe because of the mango butter and the avocado powder for intense nourishment and extra moisturization. They are so nicely, you know, blended into my skin. And also this one is like great for, you know, body highlighter. Also this is the Sunlit Gold, which I used here. You can also use it on your face as well. So that is it about the review, guys. I think I have shared every inch of detail which I had to share. I have given you knowledge about the packaging, the company claims, and also I have swatched everything on my hand as well as on my face, my body, every damn where. I'm dipped in gold highlighters right now. And also I'll make sure to link all the products link in the description box down below, and also I'll make sure to you know, add a few of the product description and claims down below so that you can go and check it. Also the links will be there, and if you think that these are a little bit pricier, don't worry, go click on that link and add it into your cart and wait for some offers, because offers chalte rehte hain. K beauty ke bhi 15 to 20% off chalta rehta hai, so you will get it at a very good price also. If you like this video, hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.